Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 5th of June 2021, and today we'll be continuing our video guide on the cryptocurrency trading. And today we'll be focusing on the spot trading, which is the main trading on Binance using the limit trade. And you can see all what we've covered right here. We've covered all this, the account sign up. If you have not watched all the videos, all you have to do is to subscribe to our channels and watch all the videos we've covered. We've covered the account verification, account funding for global traders, account funding for Nigerians, withdraw and more deposit options, then how to buy cryptocurrency trading for long term, then the spot trading using the limit trading. This is what we are going to be covering now. And you can see is the link to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming videos on the cryptocurrency trading. And for those who have not watched all our previous videos, just subscribe to all our channels to watch all the videos on the cryptocurrency trading. And for those who don't have a trading account yet, all you have to do is to visit www.binance. This is a link right there, www.binance.com/en/registered?rev equals 138775674. Or you click the link in the video description on YouTube. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. And like stated earlier, don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming videos on the cryptocurrency trading and the market cap app. So we are monitoring the cryptos right here. You can as well download this app on your mobile phone, the coin market app. You can see the rankings. Bitcoin is still number 1 despite the drop. Ethereum is number 2. Tether is a stable currency. Binance coin, Cardano, and Dogecoin number 6. You can see all these. There's a coin market app. So let's get back to the Binance app. So I believe you've already verified your account. For those who have signed up, you verified your account and you funded your account. And here we're going to be using the spot trading. So once you've remember I told you have to download the app because we are using the mobile to trade. You are using the mobile, so it's easier to trade on the mobile device. So once you've logged into the Binance app, all you have to do is to click on trade. It's always on the down section at the middle. You can see the screen. You click on trade, then you see the top icons there, the convert, the spot, the margin, the fair, the P2P. You click on spot right there. So let's assume I want to trade. I want to buy. Let's assume I want to buy Bitcoin or Bitcoin. I'll just go to the top corner where you see BTT/USD. There, that's the top corner. That's the icon under the convert. You tap on it under the search right there. All I need to do is to click tap BTC and type. Then I tap on. You can see it has changed to BTC against the USDT. So always trade against the USDT because the USDT is a stable coin. It doesn't fluctuate like other coins. It's a stable coin. You can see the current price of Bitcoin is around 36,074.36. Is changing. So now I don't really have much Bitcoin here. I'm going to trade Doge against the USDT. So, and I'm going to maybe place a limit trade on this. So let me just. So once I change this to Doge against the USDT, it depends on the currency you want to buy with your USDT. So I click on buy right here. Then the limit, this one has to be on limit all the time. Then you can see the current price 0.37417. You can see it's changing right here. And I want to buy around 0.36200 or so. First thing, you have to check the trade volume and the trade span for maybe 1 day, 1 hour. All you have to do is to tap on the candle. You can see the double candles right there at the right corner before the dollar sign there. You tap on it. Then you can see the minutes, the hours, the 4 hours trade log. Once you tap on 15 minutes, 1 hour, it will load. 4 hours, 4H means 4 hours, 1D means 1 day. So you will see the low, the high. You can see the low, the high. Once you tap on it, you can tap on the screen. You can see the lows and the high. And this for 4th, that's yesterday. You can see the low for yesterday, 0.35750. Then the high was 0.373 250. You can see the opening, you can see everything, the trade volume. To see all this, all you need to do is to tap the icon. You type any icon on your screen towards the date area. So if I want to check for maybe 2nd of June, I tap the icon towards where 2nd of June is. You can see the 2nd of June, the low, the high, the opening, and all that. So if you're not seeing this on your screen, all you have to do is to tap the depth, the icon after the depth, the DEPTH there. You tap on it, then you click on more. You come to the intervals right there. You mark all this line, 15 minutes, 4H, 1 day, 1 hour, and all that. Then you click on confirm. Then the indicators as well. You mark the indicators you want to show, the Bollinger, the EMA, the MA, the VOL, MACD, and all those ones, for you to be able to see all those things. So now we are going to place a test trade. So I believe I've checked the 15 minutes volume. Let me just go to the time right now. So the lowest was 0.37250 about 15 minutes ago, and the high was 0.37700. Let's assume I just want to trade within that quick time frame. Currently is around 0.3747 something, and I believe it will still go down to 0.37250. All I have to do is to just come right here, then I click on the limit right here, which is, I'm going to set the limit to 0.37250. So the amount of Doge I want to buy, 26, so that it will be $10, which is the minimum you can purchase with USDT. So then all I have to do is to click on buy. Then I click on confirm. So you can see the trade has been placed right there automatically. It has been placed there, so it's waiting for execution. So once the price drop down to 0.37250, it's going to buy for me. Either I'm online or not, it's going to buy for me. So then here I'm going to go to sell. Let's assume I just want to make quick profits. Maybe every 15 minutes or 1 hour, I'm going to go to sell as well. And I've checked already how the market looks like, the high is the low. So, and if I believe that maybe in the next 2 or 3 hours it's going to rise to 0.38, maybe 0.38000, I go to sell right here. Then I entered 0.38000 here. Then I enter the amount I'm willing to sell, maybe 25 Doge or maybe 30 Doge, which is around 11 USDT. Then all I have to do is to now click on sell right there, then confirm. So you can see the sell trade has also placed as well. Is waiting for execution. You can see is waiting for execution. So once the price hit 0.38, so it's going to sell for me, either I'm online or not. So I will have made quick buck. So that's how to buy and sell and make maybe little percentage. It depends on what you have in your account. It might go up, might go down. So when it goes down, it will buy for you. When it goes up, it will also sell for you. So I'm going to cancel this trade because I don't want to sell yet. Then I don't want to even buy yet. So I'm going to cancel this as well. So here, what you can also do here is to set alarm. If you click on the candles, the double candles right there before the dollar sign, you can click on it. Then you set an alert. Maybe tap on alert right there. Then you can set it. Let me delete the alert I've set here. You can set alert, and when the add an alert when the prices drops to, let's say, or maybe you are willing to buy at around 0.332. So you just set an alert, and when the price drop, then the frequency you can set maybe once in a day or always or once. So when the price drop to 0.32, it will alert you automatically. It comes as an alert on your phone. So once that price drops, you just quickly log into your Binance account and you quickly purchase at 0.32. You can also set an alert that when the prices rises above maybe 0.60, it might take weeks if you set that one because it's too long. Maybe 0.60, then you set an alert, you create an alert as well. So when the prices rise above 0.610, it's going to alert you. So you can see all these things. So that's how to make a trade on spots, then you make some few bucks when the price goes down, then you quickly sell when the price goes up as well. So I'm going to cancel the alerts too. Let me cancel the alerts. Okay, I believe you understood all this. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more videos on the cryptocurrency trading, and you can see all the links. For those who haven't signed up, use this link. We'll paste it in the video description on YouTube, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels, all our channels, the 3 channels. You check the video description on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.